What is up, you guys? Welcome to a new video. So today we're going to be installing a new stereo on the Lightning. We did install the headers already off camera just because it takes a long time to record this and that. I will be showing you guys today how it sounds. I'll do a cold start and how they look from the outside, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I'm gonna install this stereo. It's a SSL 9-inch touchscreen stereo. I'm gonna show you what I had in the Lightning, and then how we're gonna go ahead and reuse what we had in the Lightning to fit the new stereo. So yeah, you guys, let's get this started. Remember, like, share, subscribe, comment down below what you guys think. If you guys are planning on doing the same thing, hope you guys enjoy the video. You guys can see this is a stereo. Got pantallón mamalón. And this one, it rotates and it goes up and down however you need it. So this is what I had on the Lightning. This one was good. Honestly, I like this stereo. I'm gonna keep it just in case I need it for another one. This one right here is where this one sat, and this is what we're gonna reuse. And then we have the harness from the stereo, and then the adapter that goes from the stock factory plug to the stereo. So we're gonna be reusing this one. We're gonna be cutting it right here, boom, or here, I'm not sure yet. And then so let's start unboxing this guy right here. So what do we have here? Get greeted with a SSL. We got our user manual on a bag, whatnot, protection. What do we see first? A big old screen. Okay. I'm gonna put this on the side on the foam. No se va a caer. Viene con todo y harness, microphone. My truck already has a microphone installed, so we're not gonna be installing that. Brackets, we don't need them. So yeah, we just need the harness for my setup. I just need the harness. Yeah, just a box, empty box. Styrofoam. And the cool thing about this setup is a single DIN. So a single DIN setup, and if you live in a sketchy neighborhood, or your truck is easy to open, or you feel like they might steal your shit, well, guess what? Bam, that's how it looks. Once it's installed, you can remove the screen once you get off of your truck, car, whatever you're gonna install it in, and then it just looks like a plain, cheap, stereo, but it's not. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna set you guys up so we can start marrying this. We're gonna turn this into this right here, right quick. Always double check, because sometimes you might have the same brand and it might be the same. These are, in my case, it's not, but it would have been pretty cool if it was. So yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead and install this one onto this harness right here. So what we're gonna need, we're gonna be all these little connectors right here. We're gonna need 12 of them. Grab 13 or 14 just in case. We're gonna go ahead and start cutting off all these right here, one by one, and we're gonna be transferring them over to here. So all these are labeled right here, whatever you're gonna need, blah 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 blah. So yeah, let's go ahead, get started. I got some black tape just in case, and we start cutting wires off. Okay guys, so this one, that's all we're gonna leave it with a stereo. That's basically all we need from this one. This one go back to the stereo and go for sale. This is the one that adapts your harness from your truck to the stereo. So what we're gonna have go ahead and start doing. We're gonna remove this little zip tie. Oh, that too, we gotta get zip ties. Now they got the zip ties, the butt connectors, this one, the harness for the truck, and the harness for the stereo. What we're gonna do, literally, this is as simple as it gets. We're gonna be color matching cable with cable. Now this one's all white, this is all white and black. It's white with a black line. This is the speakers. You got your ground being the black one. You have a red one and the yellow one. Black, yellow, and red. Red is constant power, black is ground, and this one is switched. 12-volt switch right here, the yellow one. And then other than that, this is illumination, just when you turn on your lights and you dim down your lights and all that stuff. Apparently it brings it down. It works, sometimes it doesn't, whatever. These right here are your speakers. Purple, green, gray, and white, they're all your speakers. So there you guys, we're gonna go ahead, started with this, and then these are labeled as well. See, rear, front, whatever, you know, blah 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 blah. So let's get started with these. We're gonna get started with the 12-volt constant, and oh no, you know what, I lied. So I think your red is 12-volt switch and the yellow one is constant power, just to keep your memory alive, all your settings, whatnot. Alright guys, everything is put back together. What we're going to do right now is we're going to zip tie it. That way we have a clean setup. You guys have it. One more right here, just put this one right here. It's for like TVs and all that stuff, I'm not even sure. We don't need it. So we're zip tying it away. Alright. Just come by, cut all these out. We're leaving this one loose because this one, like I said, we're going to put it to the stereo. So let's go test everything out, make sure everything works out good, and yeah, let's go to the truck. This one is different from the one that we have right now, so we're just going to bend these little tabs in. Oh, we're going to bend these little tabs in. Get rid of that one. So what we're gonna do, basically, we're gonna pull this tab out here, this tab here, and yanking this out from the stereo. Now the stereo is bare. we're gonna go ahead and slap this one in here. And you guys see the little tabs right here? We're gonna push them down, lock it in place, both sides. Do it with a screwdriver, you can do it by hand. No, doesn't really matter as long as you bend them in just enough. It ain't going nowhere, and we can just slide it in and it clicks on. So let's go. Alright guys, so what I like to do is test everything before I even put everything back, just to make sure that everything's working properly. So what we're gonna go ahead and do right now, we're just gonna install this here. Ahí se va. Install this one on there. As simple as that. Esta la llave, la mamelona. Oops. Key. Right here. I'm gonna choose, guys. Ah, la verga, Delin. You can see it powered on. You can check it out right there. So yeah, everything works. I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure. Yep, speakers work. We are good to go. Alrighty guys, let's turn it back off. Ya está. Le quita la plug. Leave the plug right there. Stereo comes out. Simple as that, guys. Came off. So we're gonna run all the wires through here. We have our antenna cable that we're gonna run, and the microphone. We're gonna run everything through here. Y va así, otra vez. Allá, guys. Ya está puesto todo esto. We're gonna make sure we got the microphone connected, which goes to this plug right here. Está puesto. Con eso es USB, y eso no lo vamos a ocupar. Al rato vamos a sacar todo. We're gonna put take everything out and install the amp. So for now we're just doing radio and... Oh no mames, ahí está. Ahí está, no pasa nada, gente, no pasa nada. Good. We're gonna go ahead and connect everything. Grab all the wiring, all the shit that goes here. We're gonna jam it down this way. Oh yeah. I forgot, guys, about this one right here. Get your little wire right here, eh? Fucking little wire, ato. We just need to ground. I'll get a screwdriver. I'll be back. Alright guys, we're shoving everything down the throat of this thing right here. Boom, boom, boom. Que los pasos cablerío no se va a ver. Make sure we push it all the way down back. Todo bien, todo bien, todo bien. All the plugs are there. Keep going up the right spot. And clicked on. Slap this one back on. Oh, this is bugging right here. Right there. Alright, you guys, as you guys can see, it is installed. This is what I was talking about, that if you don't have the screen on, people are gonna think you have, you know, a crappy stereo, or maybe not even notice you have a stereo. But this is the easiest part right here. That's it. And it does tilt to whatever side you want it. Up, down. So I'm always gonna use it like here. So when I'm driving right here, tato aquí de volada. Vámonos, raza. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna hook up the phone. Ahorita vemos. This is all we got right here. Go on settings. There's the equalizer. That's cool that it comes with equalizer. And it's pretty firm, so you could touch it and it's not gonna like swivel on its own. So we got language, time zone, system tone. We're gonna take that off. There's a little beep. It's fucking annoying. So right now we are currently ya está hecho el time. Ahí de volada. That was good to have. We have the balance, subwoofer. We're gonna turn that off because we don't have one right now. Equalize loudness. We're gonna put it up. It has an internal amp, so it'll amplify the speakers. It's on. I think it's 320 watts on this stereo. 320 watts internal amp that the stereo has to produce your vocals. Default value, I don't know what that is. Okay, just for when it rings. We're bringing the ring one down. Bluetooth talking is 30. And Navi, voice, that's good. Main is at a 15. So when you start it up and you turn on your truck, it's gonna be 15. We're gonna leave it at 8. Illumination control. I don't know what the fuck gamma day is. Oh, okay, there's a screen. Leave it at 11. Look pretty bright. We'll leave it at 6. It's daytime right now. I do have the truck tinted and stuff, but this looks pretty good. Brightness wise, night brightness, I guess when you turn on the thing. Then you got your LEDs. What color do you want your LEDs and stuff? Doesn't give me an option. Okay. Yeah, there you guys go. See? If you turn it on, it just goes through all the colors. If you turn it off, you know, you get all these little colors right here. I'm gonna go with green because of the dash is green. You can set up a wallpaper. So if you have a USB, you could probably install your own one, but we're gonna leave it with the one that's already comes factory. Bluetooth. Let me set up the Bluetooth and we'll be back with you guys. Literally it just goes connection, auto connect, you want always that. And then for this one, it doesn't let me change the name. Fucking A. I guess you could just go ahead and turn on your Bluetooth right now. So it's asking me right here. We're gonna put yes. I just searched. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for the video. It's working. We go on there. We want to connect to, see, right there. Disconnect, connect. You could dial from here, you know, and you got the contacts. You could download your contacts, your history. So it's pretty handy. You got your settings, like I said. You go through it, and then that's pretty cool. It's pretty quick. You touch it, de volada. So yeah, I recommend you guys this little stereo. Pretty cool. It makes your front end look, your interior look a lot better. And yeah, let me take you guys out for the video of the truck for the startup. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. If you guys like the video, remember to like, share, subscribe. Tell your people, tell all the people that you know to come and check out the channel. Project Trucks Matter. Come and check it out. We're growing in subscribers, so I thank you guys a lot for coming in, you know, comments and everything. People that are actually engaging with me. I like that, so thank you very much.